Mk7 production.
Right, welcome back to the video. So in today's video, we're just going to be changing the inside cabin air filter, okay? Very simple to do. Right, shades there. Sadiq, all you do here, look, pay attention to that, Sadiq, right? Right, Sadiq, you see that clip there? You see him, get a zoom in. There's a clip there, okay? All I'm doing is pushing up on it, okay? When you push up on it, just like that, it'll clip out of there. Did you see that, Sadiq? Yeah? And the same on that side. You might not be able to see this one. Let me just get it. But just hold your thingy as well, right? It's clipped out. Once it's clipped out, you see that? Everything just drops out, okay? Be very careful. I'll show you how to put it back in anyway. But all that shite will just fall out, okay? So now, it's right here, so you see it? Magic. It's right there. All you do here, clip there. You see that one, Sadiq?
Yeah.
So zoom it in, Sadiq. Get it right there. Clip there, and clip there. Okay, all you're doing is pushing down, push down on that, push down, and at the same time you're pulling back, okay? Ah, you fucking dirty bastard, yeah. This is gonna be a tricky one because all three need to be pushed down. See, be vigilant. Right, I need a flathead head mush. Found a flathead anyway. This is fucking arsehole, this. Proper arsehole it is. Ah, push that down. Very tricky one this, so look, I'll try and capture it. You just push them away from there, disconnect them like that, make sure it don't clip back in. Fucking annoying. You get one side done and the other side will clip back in, the twat. Yeah, there we go. I like the ones where you just slide to the side, but once that's done it's this. Look, see the clips there? You gotta push one side, but if you do that side and then work your way, sometimes this side will just go back in, right? It's a pretty shit one, but you see that? Right, there's no arrows here, but I'm going to take it out like this, okay? Just remember the way that is disgusting, actually. The arrows, so do I see any arrows? Arrows, arrow there. Yeah, it did have arrows. So you see that? See the arrow? It says down. It is filthy, this. It's fucked. Can you see it? You see it, yeah. So the arrow was pointing down, okay, and the arrow was on that side like this, wasn't it? The same way that I pulled it out. Yeah, magic. Ah, my knees are cat deed, mate. Alright, let me get a thumbnail here, mush. That is disgusting, mush. Is that a fucking flyer there? Hold up here, governor. Hey, yeah, mush. How do you get in here? Look at that, see? How do you get in there? See him? Get a zoom right now, mush. Fucking flying there. How do you get in there? Cat dude, mate. Get me a thumbnail there, see? Yeah. Seeing that? It's all like that. Decent, mate. Good job, that. Right, remember. Now, there's me arrows there. Where are you little bastard, yeah? Alright, he's got some shite arrows like that. Barely fucking see the cunt. But there's the arrow. Put that in like that. Arrow facing outwards. I think this one's a Bosch one, that one's a Denso one. I don't even know what a Denso is, but then again it says Denso on here. I ain't never heard no fucking Denso, bro. Fuck out of here, bro. Same thing. Put the bottom in first and then putting it in is easy, right? Look at that. Clip, clip, clip. It's just taking it out as a bit of a arsehole. But now, let me sort my knees out, so this is the hard part here, so gotta be vigilant. Vigilant, so alright? You have to spoon feed this in, okay? Like that. You seeing that? There.
It's darkness.
Hey? Yeah, mush. Let me get in the way here, mush. You seeing that? I'm holding it like this, alright? If you just ram this in, this clip is so shit, bro. Honestly, you push it in too fast, yeah, it'll rip this all off, yeah, then you'll have nothing. But just wiggling it like this. Once it clicks in, you know it's caught it, okay? Now, it's just these clips, okay? Now, hold up now. This one here, that twat, okay? Once that's a bit pushed in, all you do, just like that, push it right in, mush. You seeing that, you see it, okay? There we go. We're back in business, mush. We're back in business. Why have I got so many hand sanitizer brought? Look at the state of my hands, I never wash my hands anyway, I'm covered in shit. See, you want these? You're easy, eh, man? Polarized one. You want these? You want them? Fucking idiot. You want them? Oh yeah. So these glasses here. These are the previous owners. Put these on. See if you fit. If they give me old ones. Fuck it. Actually, it might. Can you see out of them?
Yeah.
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 Fucking you go, boss. Them mush. Give us
Gosh,
150. Hey. Can you see out of them or not?
Yeah. I think.
Where you recording here, Zeke? I think they're a bit faint, but these are a bit strong. Keep them anyway. Here you go, boss. Hey, how the fucking receipts? Shit. Right, that's that anyway. Right, cheers for watching. Did you just cut it?
Yes.
I just heard a ding. What was I about to say? Right, cheers for watching. See you in the next one. Got a seat.
I'm a different kind of J.